welcome to the channel, guys. This is a session primarily on data cleaning in Excel. So you have data already exists and you want to perform certain cleaning operation. Hope this is useful. Whatever you're doing, that related to data analytics, data analysis, or data, or you're a data scientist. I hope it's just starting in. These are basic functions. So let's start with the first one. Upper, lower, and proper, right? So how to do that? We'll just start with the upper here. Yeah, you see that what it says, convert the text into uppercase. That's what I need. So I intensely keep my column H in non-formatted way, so I can just do that. Yeah, you see that. Similarly, you can just scroll down and it helps. Yeah. Yep. So now you see that. Very simple. So it has just now all are in caps. Similarly, it's very simple. The lower one, right? Just you paste lower, and here you go, right? You just copy the formula across and just paste it, and that's now you understand. So anything, whatever it is, you just put in the lowercase, and other one vice versa. Yeah. Then for now, I'll just keep like that, and because it's lower, I'll just one. Yeah. So now it's because of the upper. How does this proper work? So let's say you have a scenario like ASD, that would be Jim Corbett. Just that's the name. That's the name, maybe, right? So we have to just look at that. So what it does, essentially, look at that output, then you realize just what happens. It will, so just like first name and last name, it will just first alphabet in the first name and last name. So that's a useful function if you got names and you want to sort it out. This is called proper. So now we're done with this one now. Yeah. So now we'll go to duplicate. Yeah. So duplicate, see here, intensely I keep this data. So one simple way to do that is very simple. What we'll do now, we can choose everything here, go through the data. There is an inbuilt function, and that's perfect fine. Say remove duplicates. Yeah. So for example, in your other case, let's say you just want to filter on these two, that also works. So at the moment, I know I have a duplicate across. I says, okay, look at the row, total how many? 10 rows and one header, right? Perfectly. It says one duplicate, very fine, I removed. Okay, you are happy with that? So simple, the duplicate is quite. Trim again. So to do that, let's say introduce a space here. I'm doing that intentionally. Yeah. Trim. Yeah. And then just MN, and you look at that. So just remove the spaces, right? Before, after, look at trim, right? Yeah. So now you know how it works. Now it's you can see how to validate this box. Just Control V and just paste on a value, and now save it file. You can see there is no space. If you go there, there's still a space. Yeah. That way, left, mid, search, and length. These are again simple function. You want, for example, this will work. So let's say to run left on this one name, right? Says which text. How many we need? I need 3, right? That might need and require split on a first name, last name, or maybe there is space. So you see that very simple. Left of this one. Similarly, we do the right here. Right, and then on the same text, and how many we have? 5. It is 6, right? And then we know what we're talking about. We split the entire text into Jim. That's with the left, and then again mid works essentially same. Mid again, look at that. The only thing would be now it will have a start and where exactly, where you want it. So I'm saying pick this one, but I'll start, okay, from what? I'll start from which alphabet? Maybe 5, yeah? Apologies, 5. How many characters you want? I put it, I say I need 6. They see what happens here. You got my point, right? So 5, I'm saying, start from 5. Give me how many? 6. I'm giving another way to extract the last name in this scenario. It could be vary, right? Search again is a very simple one, so you can do that here. Search again. So there's two, one is search and one is find. Find is a case sensitive, so that's the reason people prefer search. So now, what do you say within text? What do you want to find? I want to find maybe gym, yeah, and assuming it's a huge list at the moment, I'm just showing you. With text, a start number. From what start you want to search? Start number, sequence. I don't want to have a sequence. Let's see, say 1. So you found gym at one place itself. Now with that concatenation, again, it's a very simple function. How we do that? Again, I will do here itself to make things simpler. Just saying add it, okay? Now D and E have a different one. One you can use this function, a standard function. This also works, okay? So say comma 1 and then you comma 2 and then you can have one more if required. That's one way to do that. That's look at that, right? But now you say why I need a space. Okay, even if you need a space, you just go in, put a space and just say it. Play with the characters. Yeah, that we get it. But what is the second best? There's a better way to do that. I can just say this one. Just say %. Yeah, that's a sign in a laptop. Yeah. Again, this will have no space here. Now you can just do this and put a space and then %, and here you go. That's also standard. Transpose you can do. You can also do by, but I'll just do that. Okay, I'll just take in a different sheet just to show you. So once you copied something, you can always get an option of transpose. Yeah, you can always do this. This is the one way to do that. Yeah, transpose. But for the same thing, you can always use a function too if you want to. It depends what is your usage there. Transpose. Yeah, so you have that. You clearly say, right? What is the array? Same array. Fair enough. You might want to log the range. Okay, so it's the same thing, right? Essentially, you got the same output. Either you go there, copy and paste the entire stuff, and they copy, and then whenever you want to do that, you can just go there and just do the transpose. Yeah. Hope it was useful for you guys. Thank you for being here.